Hi there. Let's talk about ACC, the Accident Compensation Corporation. ACC is a government organization in New Zealand that helps prevent injuries and supports you if you're hurt in an accident. Whether it happens at work, at home, playing sport, or on the road, ACC is here for you. And guess what? It doesn't matter who caused the accident. Everyone gets help. If you get injured, ACC can support your recovery with medical treatment, rehabilitation, and even financial help. That means you don't need to take legal action or worry about going to court. ACC steps in to make things easier. Everyone in Aotearoa, New Zealand is covered by ACC's no-fault scheme that includes kids, students, people on benefits, workers, retirees, and even visitors. You don't have to prove who was at fault. Your doctor or healthcare provider will make an injury claim for you, and ACC will decide based on the Accident Compensation Act. Now, there are limits to what ACC can cover, and those are set by law. ACC helps with injuries from accidents, but not with illnesses, aging-related conditions, or emotional stress. For injuries they do cover, ACC helps pay for treatment, hospital visits, and more. If you can't work, you might get up to 80% of your usual income. For serious injuries, long-term support is also available. If you're injured in an accident, the first step is to see a healthcare provider. They'll treat you and send a claim to ACC. Once your claim is accepted, ACC will work with you to figure out what support you need. If you're unable to work, you can apply for weekly compensation while you recover. ACC is funded through a mix of levies, from your income, from businesses, vehicle owners, and also government funding. This shared system means no one has to deal with all the costs of an accident on their own. So, to wrap it up, ACC is here to support everyone in New Zealand if they're injured in an accident. From helping with your medical care to offering financial support while you recover, ACC makes sure you're not alone. Want to learn more? Just head to www.acc.co.nz. We are Kiara Academy. Check out our other videos and follow us on social media to stay connected.